Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hotly Trending, your home of airdrops, crypto opportunities, testnet guides, and we're helping our users earn their first dollars in crypto for free or at a low cost. So let's get started. Today we'll be looking at Variational Testnet. So this is the complete Variational Testnet guide. The link to the platform, Variational's Omni, is available in the description. So once you click on it, you can see it says access restricted. It says Omni Testnet requires an access code to create an account. Access code can be obtained from the Discord channel, from existing users on the channel. So if you go to their X account, you can see this is the issue I'm having right now. When you go to the X account, they drop the access codes there. If you use the access code, you can see the access code has the referral code has exceeded the max count of 500. I would drop some access codes in the description of this video, but as you know, it is possible that the access codes are dropped, might have been exhausted, though you can ask me for more. But then if it has been exhausted, I'm trying to show you how you can get the access codes by yourself from the Discord channel actually. So that's what we're going to explore here. So you join their Discord channel, you click on verify, you start the verification process. Basically, that gives you access to the server. As you can see, look at it, start here, waitlist. So the waitlist is where you would actually register to get early access to the Omni Mainnet. So right now they're on testnet. Now this is the season 2 of the testnet, or we say the stage 2 of the testnet, because I actually participated in the first stage of Variational Omni. But guess what? There wasn't need for an access code then. But right now, if you want to participate, you need an access code. So you can see it said, when people are asking, how do I get the access code to log in? Because I was actually surprised. I'm like, how is it like we need an access code for this thing? So people are even asking in the channel, they're like, what is this access code thing? Because before we're like, there's no need for this. So in order to get this, you go to their waitlist channel. So you basically just add your details to the waitlist. So you click on the waitlist channel and you submit your details. So you can see once you submit it, you get that role of you were given at joined waitlist role as a reward. So once you get that, you get access to a channel called access codes. So if you don't sign up for the waitlist, you don't get access to the code. So you can see there's a new code with 10,000 uses. That is Omni 0 fees. So that is what I'm going to use now to get back my Variational account. So when I use that will definitely get me in Omni 0 fees. So I could have gotten a French code, but I wanted to show you that if for example I share some codes and the code is no longer available, you can actually do this yourself. So that is just it. You click on confirm, you accept terms, verify capture. That is done. What is Variational? Variational is an innovative peer-to-peer trading protocol that is built on Arbitrum. It's specifically designed for perpetual futures and generalized derivatives trading. Protocol has garnered significant attention in the DeFi space. It has also secured $10.3 million in seed funding from prominent investors, including Coinbase, Dragonfly Capital, Bain Capital Crypto, and Hack VC. So you can see for Coinbase to be investing in Dragonfly Capital, then you know this is massive. It's gonna be massive, baby. Okay, so what will we be doing here? Variational, like I said earlier, it's designed for perpetual futures and generalized derivatives trading. So you'll be basically trading futures here. You'll be creating orders. You click on buy, you click on sell, you know, like that. If you don't have the faucet, you can click there, the link there to get faucet. I'll also put a link to get faucet in the description of the video, so in case you don't have faucet. But I believe you should have enough dollars in your Variational account, because this stage does not even need a faucet. Once you're able to sign in, you get the dummy money, I think around 10k dollars, which is a dummy money. It is not real. So if you're a newbie, please don't be like, oh, they gave us $10,000, but I can't withdraw my $10,000. Nah, it's not real. So what you just do is you just select buy, select what the price you want to buy, the token you want to buy. So basically what this testnet does is that it is mirroring the real life market. So the prices of tokens in real life, that is what it is mirroring. So you can be buying, you know, placing orders, set your leverage, that's the sizing. If you want to use 10%, you know, of your total size. Now you can select whether you want a market order, that is, you want to buy at whatever the current market price is. You can select a limit order. A limit order is where you are setting the price that you're willing to buy. Basically, the price will be lower than the current market price. Also, when you want to sell, you can sell at the market price, which will sell at whatever the current price is, or you can click on limit, which will basically you're trying to sell at a higher price than what the market is. So that is just what you do. You can buy as many tokens as you want and sell. Let's check out portfolio. You can see bought Solana, so also EGLD. So you can see Solana I bought at 235, then I took profit at 239. So that is it. You just do this as if you're trading, you know, real life tokens out. Let's say you in your portfolio you had $10,000 and you wanted to, you know, increase that. Basically, that's what you're simulating here. You're testing the platforms for transactions. You're buying, you're selling, you're looking at opportunities. You know, like when you check the charts, you look at opportunities. You can go to other platforms to check charts, and you can select tokens that, oh, you feel this token is going to, you know, pump or it's going to dump. So you can go long, you can go short on tokens, and then, you know, take profit, or, you know, set your stop loss also. So basically, when you're placing your order, you can tick the box for take profit, stop loss. So I just set my gain at 10%, and my stop loss wants the loss of 5%. I don't want to lose more than 5. And again, 10%. So once it hits that, it triggers one or the other. If it doesn't hit any of that, if it doesn't hit my take profit position and doesn't hit my stop loss position, it doesn't trigger. But that's just it. In a real life scenario, you probably set your take profit and your stop loss. So that is just what we're simulating. So you can come here every day, play around with the platform, you know, buy tokens, sell tokens, you know, check the chart. Hopefully, you want to start with, you know, let's say they gave you $10,000 to play with. You want to start with $10,000 and increase that. Sure, you could make some losses along the way because, you know, like real life, crypto is not something that you can predict. You might not always be right, but hopefully the thing is you want to increase your portfolio. So if you started with a portfolio balance of $10,000, you want to increase that to $12,000 or $10,500 or $20,000. You're very good at it. So that's just it. Variational is still currently in its testnet phase. So, and it is positioning itself as a significant player in the decentralized derivatives trading space. The Mainnet launch is scheduled for 2025, but they have not stated whether it's going to be Q1 or Q2 or Q3. We don't know yet, but they're also saying it to coincide with the introduction of the VAR token, that's the VAR token. So it's going to make it a crucial milestone in the project's development. And the Variational airdrop has also been officially confirmed with 50% of the total VAR token supply has been allocated for the community distribution through various programs. Even the first distribution might not be that 50%, but 50% has been allocated to the community. So the airdrop primarily targets active testnet users who contribute meaningful feedback to the protocol's development. So, as you can see, you can make transfers, you can make trades, you can see your positions, you can see your orders. Basically, you're going to be testing the platform, you'll be making trades. Whatever you notice, you can add that in the Discord and talk about it to the devs and be like, hey, I noticed once I place a take profit or stop loss, it doesn't trigger, blah blah blah, or whatever issues you're having. So you just put that there so they know, oh, okay, this is what we need to fix, or that. So just rinse and repeat. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel and we hope to be monetized at least by the end of 2025. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends, family, co-workers and everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.